Hey everyone, hope all of you are doing well. So today I'm trying to make uh, bread or pav. So what I did is I warmed some milk and let it cool down. Then I added some sugar and yeast to it, and then I stirred it completely so that everything dissolved. And then I added a little bit of wheat flour, and then I stirred it, and then I let it rest for 15 minutes. So now it is like this. It's a little curdy, so which means that the yeast has taken effect. So now I'm going to add flour to it and knead it like we do for chapati. So there we go. So I've kneaded it roughly, and now I will let it rest. I'll cover it and let it rest for uh, around 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes, and it has fluffed up a bit. So I'll be adding butter to it and knead it again. And then I've already added some salt. So once that is done, uh, I'll let it rest again for 15 minutes. So I have finished kneading the dough, and now I'm going to let it rest for half an hour so that it can fluff up more, and then I will knead it one final time before putting it in the oven. So it's 4 hours, and it has grown or fluffed up big time. So now I'm going to line uh, the box in which I'm going to put this with butter, and then I'm going to swab the top portion of this loaf with milk, or wash it with the milk, the top portion, and then I'm going to bake it. So this is how it has come out. Uh, I did not bake it in the oven. I wanted to see if the cooker system works. Uh, so in the cooker system, what you do is you put some salt on the base at the bottom of the cooker, and then you put a stand on it, and then on top of it you put your utensil with the dough in it, and then without using the gasket or the whistle, you close the lid, and then bake it on medium flame for around 20 minutes. So that is what I did. I'll just break open the bread, and I'll show you whether it is done or not. LOL. It looks more like it looks and tastes more like a cake rather than a pav. So I suppose I'll have to make some changes to the dough, uh, but it is super tasty. Wow. I'll suppose I'll have to make some changes to the dough, and the upper portion, this one, this is really soft, and this thing tastes like pav. So it did actually bake. So there is no doubt about that. So there is some changes that I need to make, like making the dough better. And oh, it's super tasty. I'll just heat it up. The this thing kind of burnt up because I didn't put any layer or paper layer in between. Hmm. I can taste the butter and the sugar. It's really good. Wow. And the milk. Mm. Wow. So yeah, I'll have to make certain changes. So I'll do that and I'll put up another video about it. So that's it for me today. Please subscribe to my channel. Um, if you want more of such videos wherein I am trying out new things, please like the video, and if you have any questions, ask away in the comments. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. An update. Now I know what it tastes like. It does not taste like cake, but it tastes like brown bread baked in butter. Since it is wheat flour, whole wheat flour, yes, it definitely tastes like brown bread uh, made with butter, and it has a sweet or a minor hint of sweet taste, and it's just awesome. I love it. Thank you.